Today I am presenting in front of you an application which can be used to coordinate the various agencies involved in garbage disposal, which we call as the garbage master. The presentation will be out as per the outline shown here. The vision of our company is to have a neat and a great India with the mission of reducing the garbage and pollution in the nation as a whole. We are all aware of the huge issues associated with garbage disposal in and around our environment, our neighborhood, our state, nation, city, country. So it is an all-pervading issue. We have many agencies available in the field, working in their different domains, functioning in a compartmentalized manner, which needs much to be desired in terms of the overall effectiveness and efficiency of their outcome. BBMP, waste collection centers, waste management services, Your Waste app, Innovative Environmental Solutions Private Limited, Citizen Gauge are a few to name. So, as a integrating agency connecting and optimizing the domain functioning of these various partners who are already available in the market, our business description is as flashed here with our target market of our own city. As I already mentioned, we are looking at a mobile-based app which can get the demands of the consumers and connect the transporters and the collection garbage disposal plans extra on a single platform, much like the model on which you demand a taxi like Uber or Ola and make use of it. So any and everybody, all citizens are expected to avail this facility and make a better output of it in their respective environments. The company is envisioned to be headquartered in Bangalore during its pilot and startup stages, and the legal environment and other associated aspects we would have to take care. Personnel, we should have app developers and maintainers. The organization would look much like this with all necessary basic components which are needed for any company, either established or startup. Market research shows the great potential and the market gap existing in the field in which the company wants to launch itself, as has been flashed in these slides. The SWOT analysis also brings out the much needed requirement to integrate the different agencies presently involved in the market. There are no competitors presently. Nobody is providing this kind of an integrating app-based user-friendly model of business to give optimize and efficiency and effectiveness of garbage disposal in and around our neighborhood. We would like to spread word about our business mostly through word of mouth. Mostly we are very clear that the consumers would be much happy, delighted, excited after making use of its utilities to the effective outcome which we are envisaging that it would provide. The finances are based on the chart which is shown there, which is exponential waste generation per day in any Indian city, particularly Bangalore. The business model, our app, will generate income by the different means and methods as shown here. One is that the transportation demand, collection demand, they will have to pay a monthly subscription. Affiliate income in terms of collectors, transporters, processors could be negotiated based on existing market rates. Subscription for newsletters and such like could be decided based on pilot study. Advertisements, once we reach the maturity stage and is a brand, have our own brand equity, then obviously we will attract advertisement demands, and which could be charged based on market rates. And eventually we are looking at selling the application program interface at the market rate which would be existing at that time when need to be considered. As in case of any startup, we would have our own expenses as well, which we would like to fund from owners' investments, bank loans, and other such loans. And we have also looked at a profit and loss projection study, and the break-even analysis looks good, which is a very optimistic period of 1 year. And I'm sure you would not mistake the optimism from my side on this count as a passionate entrepreneur. And if you have got any queries on this particular aspect which I spoke about till time, I would try to take on.